welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a real fun recipe that I've made for my kids forever, but it's been a long time since I've done it. It's s'mores bars, and I decided I was going to show y'all how to make it, if I can remember. So you need a stick of butter melted. You're going to add some white sugar and brown. You need a half a cup of regular sugar and a quarter cup of brown sugar. And we're going to cream these together. We need to add a teaspoon of vanilla and 1 egg. Mix that. And we're going to put in our flour. And I'm going to use self-rising flour so I don't have to add anything else. You need 1 1/3 cup of flour in a bowl. And you need 3/4 of a cup of crushed graham crackers. And I'm going to whisk all that together, and then we're going to add it to our other mixture, our wet ingredients. Come in the box, but I haven't been able to find those lately, so here we are. Okay, so let's bring this back. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with the beaters again with the mixer until I can't anymore, and we're gonna kind of do like half and half. So now we're gonna combine this together. So I'm going to go ahead and stop because it's getting harder and harder to get it to combine. So I'm going to finish stirring it myself by hand. Okay. So just finish stirring it if you don't want to finish with the mixer. This is going to be your graham cracker portion, I guess you can say. And it's fairly easy to stir. It even smells like graham crackers, which there's graham crackers in it, but you know. It's an 8x8 pan, and I believe I've made it bigger than this before, but today I'm just going to go with just the smaller. So this is not going to be, you're not going to put the whole thing in there, you got to split it up. You can press it with your fingers. I'm probably gonna have to do that with the next layer, but you can do it with your fingers. It's fine. So the recipe calls for king size chocolate bars, 3 of those, and I think they measure like a little over 2.5 ounces. I'm not sure now because this recipe is kind of old. I'm just gonna use just the regular 1.5 ounce bars. I get a 6-pack, and then that way I can use, you know, however I need, you know, I'll have plenty. So almost 4 bars. Marshmallow cream. You're going to need a 7-ounce container. That's this size. So it's the smaller one. Here we go. A rubber spatula would work great. Okay. So I'm gonna split this up here and here because you need to use the whole container. I'm gonna try my best not to make a huge mess. So it's okay if you get some of that stuff on it because it's gonna all be mixed together anyway. Okay. This is pretty much the whole container. Okay. And you can also, if you all you have is a spoon, you can also spray it. I'm just gonna try to do it without it.
I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could.
This is gonna be a little bit more tricky. Okay, so because of the marshmallow cream now, little dollops.
My own memory out.
Which my kids were little bitty when I made this. I've only made it maybe 2 or 3 times in their life, and most of them don't even remember. It's gonna look really ugly before it goes into the oven, but I promise it's not gonna matter.
Give me that look, take a bow, already know. Now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written.
And I guarantee you, I did more on one side than the other. Okay. All right. So this is gonna have to go into a 350-degree oven for about 35 minutes or until it's light golden brown. You're gonna love it. Hang in there with me. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I cut it out so you could see the layers, but it did perfectly. Be sure to watch it though, because see my top got a little bit too brown, but it's still gonna be edible. So it's real easy and it's really a fun little thing to make, and it tastes just like s'mores and everybody loves it. I'll see y'all next time.